Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the few settings you should change for your mouse Logitech G502 Hero. So first let's start with our Windows mouse. Simply go for the start, here go and search mouse settings, open them, inside find additional mouse options and then pointer options and disable enchants pointer precision. Click apply and then OK. Now we can move on to the G-Hub app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Here open device settings on your mouse, or actually just click on your mouse and then you can find the sensitivity DPI. Here make sure that you're using something between 1600 and 2000. Of course that's fully optional and you might like higher or lower DPI levels, but the point here is to change the mouse sensitivity in a game to the lower and increase DPI for your mouse. Another thing is to increase report rate to at least 1000 right here, because that makes your mouse a lot smoother. If you go for 105, as you can see, the mouse is very clunky. Also, give some assignments to the keys on your mouse, as this might improve and speed up the way you play games. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.